Welcome to another video walk around. Today we're going to be looking at the new Toyota CHR LE. Now this is a 5-passenger crossover in magnetic gray, driving on 17-inch wheels, and a couple of great exterior features on this CHR includes turn signals on the side mirrors, along with a backup camera. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It has our lock and unlock button. We're going to take a look inside the driver's side first. Now in the door you have your power windows, locks, and mirrors with some storage on the bottom. This CHR comes equipped with black fabric seating. We have our key here. We're going to press that button for that key to fold out, and we're going to start this CHR off. Now, as always, we start with the steering wheel features. On the left side, you have your audio controls, hands-free calling, and your voice recognition. On the right side, you have your Toyota safety sense with lane departure alert and dynamic radar cruise control. You also have these arrows in the center here. This allows you to cycle through your multi-information display. Moving on to our display here, right now we are on the home screen where it will display any audio that's playing along with any device that's connected. On the right side, you have your trip information, so we can press that. And in this screen, you can also look at your history. If we go into audio, you have your standard AM and FM options. You can also connect your phone through Bluetooth. Now, if we go into the menu button here, you have that projection icon in the corner. The CHR does support Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Down to our climate control, it is a dual zone, so the temperatures can be adjusted on both sides. You'll also find your eco mode on the right side along with your AC. On the bottom, we have some storage and cup holders, and this is where you'll also find your USB port. Taking a quick look inside the back, there's a little cup holder in the door. We are continuing with the black seating. The rear seats do also fold down. There's a little button here. We can give that a press. Seats will fold, giving you access to your cargo. Taking a last look at our Toyota CHR, once again, some of those great interior features includes your Bluetooth capabilities, dual zone climate control, and a backup camera. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.